I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at how to break down a Doc Brown's bottle and put it into the Doc Brown's bottle holder for your dishwasher. So here's the bottle itself. I'm going to take each part out, the nipple, the ring at the top, the inside of the vent itself, and the bottle. Okay, there's those parts. It comes with a size 1 nipple by default. If your kid is a bit older, you'll probably want to swap that out for a bigger one. Now we've got this part here, so I'm going to take the inside of the vent. It goes right on there and snaps in. The ring goes onto this part and snaps into these here. There we go. Then we take the inner part of the vent. That goes onto this section. It just gets kind of held in place here. The nipple we're going to put onto this. And then the bottle itself, I usually just put upright in the dishwasher. So you can see how that's loaded. If you have the top, I'll show how to do that too. Here's my top. These can go in here. Sometimes you can fit them in here as well. And then I'm just going to close this up. You can see it makes it into this nice thing where all this is separated and will get clean. And then just put that into the dishwasher. And you're good to go. If you found this helpful in any way, actually I'll put this in first. There we go. If you found this helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps. You can also see more at diy-ha.com.